My name is Jasmine McGowan, and I'm on the allied health path to nursing. My family, my mom, grandma, sister, all been nurses. I kind of took a path where I was a stay-at-home mom. My husband's in the military, and we had kids, so I decided to stay at home and raise them. And now they're older, so I was like, it's my turn to do what I want to do. The nursing program was amazing, and my sister actually graduated December of last year, and she said it was a perfect fit for her. So I decided to take on that role as well. That my kids are older now. My daughter actually enrolled here as well. One of the counselors came up and she knew my sister and my brothers because like all my siblings have went here. And she was like, all the McGowans. And she was like, why won't you enroll too? And I was like, I'm thinking about it. She's like, go ahead and do it. And I did it like that. And because I knew it was time for me to get something behind me as well. And I want my kids to not only look up to my spouse, but me as well. That's, mom got something behind her as well, not just dad. I think Cleveland State is very welcoming. They do help their students. They want us to thrive, not only just to learn and be stuck in like the education part of it, but to thrive in it as well. Cleveland State is helping me define my tomorrow by just giving me the foundation and helping me set goals on the path of my journey of nursing. Also giving me community of not only just the teachers, but other students who are on the same path, and it's really been enjoyable. It's been a great process.